Today we are going to make a comet. And a comet is a chunk of ice and rock flying through space. When comets get too close to the sun, they heat up and we can see their glow and their long tails. Today, you're going to make your very own comet that you can fly around the room. So first thing, I would like to tell you what materials we need. You will need a popsicle stick. You could even use a pencil or a straw. Maybe go out and find a small stick that you have in your front yard. You will need a pair of scissors and some ribbon or string, preferably 3 different colors. The last thing you will need is some aluminum foil or tin foil. So take a moment, if you need to, put me on pause and go ahead and grab your materials and then come on back. Okay, the first thing in order to make our comet is we are going to have this piece, and here's a popsicle stick. I'm going to show you with a pencil right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your ribbon. You should have 3 colors. You're going to have one smaller piece of ribbon that's going to be closer to the nucleus, and then you're going to have another color. Here I have gold. You're going to cut 2 pieces from that, and then you're going to pick a 3rd color and you're going to cut 2 more pieces for that. So to get started, I'm going to take this red piece and I'm going to tie it tightly to the end of the pencil. You want to tie it on the edge of the pencil so that it's right there on the edge, and then that you also have the majority of your ribbon or your string hanging out. Okay, so that's one of them. Now I'm going to take my 2nd color. Here I'm using gold. And this was ribbon I didn't need, that I just had around the house. I didn't need to go out and buy anything. So maybe ask your parents if from presents or anything they've saved any old ribbon, or if they have, if they're scrapbookers, maybe they have some string or ribbon that you could use. Okay, so now we've got our 2nd one on. I'm going to be tying the 3rd one. And most of you know how to tie, but it can be kind of tricky sometimes so it doesn't slide off the edge. So if you need help, ask an older sibling or an adult to help you. There we go. We've got 3 of the tails on. Okay, it looks like this piece is a little bit long. I'm just going to cut it into 2 right here. So here's my 3rd color. It's kind of a silvery color. And I'm tying these on to the same spot. You can tie it in a double knot if you want to, but you don't have to because we're going to be putting foil over it. Okay, there's the 4th one. Let's go ahead and tie the 5th one on. Okay, so we have all of our tails on. The next step is to grab your tin foil, and I just pulled off a long sheet, and then I cut off about 4 sheets. They're kind of in a rectangular shape. Rectangular, square will work just fine. You're going to take the tails that you have and kind of just hold them off to the side. This one's kind of getting wrapped around there, but hold them off to the side. Grab your first piece of foil and just wrap it around the top of the pencil or the stick, whatever you're using. Okay, so there we go. It looks pretty small, right? So there's the first one. Now grab your 2nd piece of foil, scrunch that up, wrap it around, starting to form a little ball right at the top. There's my 3rd one. And my 4th one. So there's kind of a smaller ball of tin foil, and then this one has a little bit larger, but just use, make it the size that you want. If you want more, just grab more tin foil. So when we look at this comet, here's our comet now. It can fly around. When you look at this comet, the tin foil represents the nucleus, which is the main body of the comet. Then we have this piece right here. Here for me, it's red, but it might be a different color for you. This is the glowing part around the nucleus. Then we have the gold. Of course, it might be a different color for you, but these are the tails. This is the gas tail. And then these silver ones are the dust tails. And there you have your very own comet.